Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD, the future of the Iraqi dinar, economic developments and revaluation prospects. The Iraqi dinar, IQD, has been a focal point of interest among investors, economists, and global financial observers for many years. As Iraq works towards stabilizing its economy and modernizing its financial system, many are speculating about the potential revaluation, RV, of the dinar and its impact on both the local and global markets. This article delves into recent updates regarding the Iraqi dinar, key economic indicators, political dynamics, and Iraq's broader efforts to position itself as a significant financial player. Recent developments in Iraq's currency system. One of the most notable updates regarding the Iraqi dinar is the elimination of the 50 dinar note. According to financial analysts, this decision is part of Iraq's broader efforts to modernize its monetary system and transition toward more widely used denominations. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, confirmed that this note is now obsolete and holds no legal value. At the same time, Iraq continues to rely on larger denominations such as the 50,000 dinar note, which remains in circulation. Additionally, there are reports of a newly introduced banknote designed for internal use by the CBI and government institutions. This move indicates that Iraq is working on strengthening its currency infrastructure in preparation for potential international financial integration. Private sector growth and foreign exchange market activity. Iraq's private sector has experienced significant growth in recent years, driven by increased foreign investment and policy reforms. Economic experts point to three critical factors shaping the dinar's future. 1. Private sector expansion. A growing private sector is essential for Iraq's long-term economic stability. The country has been encouraging entrepreneurship, business development, and foreign direct investment to diversify its revenue streams. 2. Foreign exchange market developments. The dinar is gaining more attention on global forex platforms, signaling growing confidence in Iraq's economy. Changes in foreign exchange policies also suggest that the country is laying the groundwork for greater financial flexibility. 3. Trade policy adjustments. Iraq has been refining its trade policies to enhance economic growth. By fostering better trade relations with neighboring countries and global partners, Iraq is positioning itself as a more attractive market for investment. Experts recommend closely monitoring these sectors as their progress will have a significant impact on the potential revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. The path toward currency revaluation. The long-anticipated revaluation of the Iraqi dinar remains a hot topic among investors. Recent reports indicate that the Iraqi government and parliament have completed all necessary legislative steps for a potential revaluation. According to analysts, as of late 2024, the legal and procedural requirements have been finalized. While Iraq has yet to officially announce a rate change, financial experts believe that much of the groundwork has already been completed behind the scenes. The remaining step involves aligning the timing of the revaluation with broader financial strategies, ensuring stability before a rate adjustment occurs. Temporary dinar spikes in the forex market. One of the most intriguing recent events in the forex market was a temporary surge in the dinar's value. At one point, the exchange rate momentarily reached $4.99 per dinar before returning to previous levels. While some attributed this fluctuation to a technical glitch, others speculated that it might have been part of a controlled test by financial institutions preparing for a future revaluation. Regardless of the cause, such movements indicate that the dinar's value is being closely monitored, and any changes in its exchange rate will have significant global implications. Political factors affecting Iraq's currency and economic policies. Political stability plays a crucial role in Iraq's economic progress and currency valuation. The country has experienced numerous political challenges, including parliamentary gridlock, delays in policy implementation, and disputes among political factions. Government actions and banking reforms. Despite political tensions, Iraq has made significant strides in modernizing its banking system. The government has prioritized restructuring financial institutions to align with international standards. These efforts include implementing new financial technologies to improve banking efficiency, enhancing transparency in banking operations to attract foreign investors, developing digital banking infrastructure to facilitate easier transactions. These reforms will strengthen Iraq's financial foundation and support the country's integration into the global economic system. Budget amendments and economic diversification. Another critical factor influencing Iraq's financial stability is its budgetary process. Recent updates indicate that Iraq's parliament has been reviewing amendments to its budget law. If no additional action is taken, the proposed amendments will automatically take effect within a set time frame. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani has also emphasized the importance of economic diversification. The Iraqi government is actively working to reduce its reliance on oil exports by investing in other industries such as tourism, manufacturing, and agriculture. By broadening its economic base, Iraq hopes to create a more balanced and resilient financial system. The role of gold reserves in Iraq's financial strategy. A crucial element in Iraq's monetary policy is its gold reserves. Iraq holds substantial reserves of gold and other assets, which serve as a financial cushion for the country's economy. Despite these reserves, the dinar remains undervalued in comparison to the US dollar. Financial experts believe that Iraq's currency will eventually undergo a correction to reflect the country's true economic potential. If the dinar were to be revalued based on Iraq's natural resources, gold reserves, and economic growth, it could lead to a significant increase in value. Investors continue to monitor Iraq's gold reserves closely, as any shifts in monetary policy could signal a potential revaluation of the dinar. Growth in non-oil revenue and customs modernization. To further strengthen its economy, Iraq has been actively working on increasing its non-oil revenue streams. One of the key areas of focus is modernizing customs and tax collection processes. Customs revenue growth. Recent reports from Iraq's General Customs Authority indicate that the country generated approximately $1.6 billion in customs revenue in 2024. The government has ambitious plans to increase this figure in 2025 by leveraging advanced technologies. Artificial intelligence in customs operations. Iraq has begun incorporating artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance efficiency and transparency in customs operations. AI-driven systems are expected to reduce corruption by automating data processing, improve accuracy in tracking imports and exports, speed up transaction processing for businesses. These efforts reflect Iraq's commitment to building a modernized and efficient economic system that aligns with international trade standards. The role of the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, in stabilizing the dinar. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, remains at the center of the country's monetary policy. The CBI continues to manage currency auctions, set exchange rates, and regulate financial transactions. Current exchange rate trends. As of recent updates, the exchange rate of the US dollar against the dinar has remained relatively stable. 1,310 Iraqi dinars per US dollar for international transactions. 1,350 Iraqi dinars per US dollar for local transactions. USD for cash transactions. Additionally, the CBI's currency auctions have recorded sales exceeding $287 million, demonstrating the financial sector's active participation in currency markets. By maintaining stability in foreign exchange reserves and liquidity, the CBI is working to create an environment conducive to economic growth and investor confidence. Looking ahead, the future of the Iraqi dinar. The future of the Iraqi dinar is influenced by multiple factors, including economic reforms, political stability, foreign investments, and global market trends. While challenges such as political instability and bureaucratic delays persist, Iraq's progress in banking modernization, fiscal policy implementation, and economic diversification is promising. With strong gold reserves, increasing non-oil revenues, and foreign investment pouring into the country, Iraq is gradually positioning itself as a significant financial player. Many investors remain optimistic that a revaluation of the dinar is inevitable as Iraq's economic advancements continue to gain momentum. As the country moves forward, the world will be closely watching to see when and how the dinar will finally achieve its long-anticipated revaluation. Until then, Iraq's economic transformation remains a topic of great interest to financial experts and investors alike.